Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another volatility index strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, so this is a strategy that works on the 15-minute time frame and is a scalping strategy. Okay, with this strategy, you just go in the market, pick some few bosses, and then you leave. Okay, you don't need to stay in the market for long. Okay, that's why it's called a scalping strategy. So before I share with you guys how the strategy work, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup, and then I will be explaining how the strategy works. Okay, so the first thing we have to do here is to click on this plus icon. After clicking on that, we have two moving average and one relative strength index here. Okay, so the first one here, you click on this plus icon to search for the first moving average. The period is 7, the shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to its close. The level, you leave it as it is, time frame, all time frame. The style, you make it color blue, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Alright, once you add the first one, you are going to have this blue moving average on your chart. Now the next indicator we have here is still a moving average. You click on this plus icon again, you search for moving average. Okay, so the period for this one is 14. All right, the shift is 0, method is simple, apply to its close. The time frame, all time frame. The style, you make it color green, 3 pixel, and you click on done. So you have the green one added to your chart. Okay, now the last indicator we have here is the relative strength index, and we are going to be using it for our levels. Okay, so now you click on this plus icon again, you search for your relative strength index. The period is 7, apply to its close. The level, you make it 15 and 85, color red, 3 pixel, you click on done. The time frame, all time frame. The style here, you make it color green, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Right, so once you have added it correctly the way I've just explained, then you are going to have a screen like this one. Okay, so that is that for the setting. Before I explain how the strategy work, I want to quickly remind you guys about my VIP boom and crash strategy and the volatility strategy. Okay, I have two VIP strategy. All right, so if you are someone that like trading the boom and crash, then you can come for the VIP strategy, and with this strategy you can grow as little as a $5 account. Okay, and the volatility strategy, with it you can grow as little as a $10 account, all right, without blowing the account. Okay, so if you want the strategy, you check the description of this video, you are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Do make sure to message me directly, okay, so that you get the strategy from me. Okay, so I think that is that for that. All right, so how does this strategy work? It's a very simple strategy to understand. Okay, now the first condition before applying the strategy, you want to allow price. All right, you take a look at this indicator window here. Now it's hardly before you see that this blue line gets to the 15 level. All right, and whenever it gets to this 15 level, there must be a reversal in the market, right? Whether the market is going down before, whenever it gets to this place, it will start going up, right? And whenever it's going up before and it gets to this place, right, it will start coming down, just like as you are seeing here. All right, so you need to take note of this. All right, so whenever it gets to this area, this is your first condition. So as you can see, this is the oversold level. So around this area, you get the first signal. Now the final confirmation before you take an entry. So as you can see, this is the buy condition for this strategy. All right, so once the blue crosses above the red, once the blue crosses above the green, you take your entry and you hold till the next resistance or support level. All right, so you can hold from this area till this here or this area here. All right, so you are going to take your TP based on the structures in the market. All right, so you can see there's one structure here, there's another one here, and there's another one here. All right, that is how you take your TP. And for the stop loss, you are going to place it below this structure here, below this area. All right, so that is the buy condition. So let's look for a sell condition. So as you can see, this blue line, the green line has touching the 85 level. All right, so here now we'll start looking for sell condition, and as you know, the sell condition is you want to see the blue line crossing below the green line on the main chart. So once that crossing happens, you go in for your sell and you hold till this area here or this one here, just like as I've explained earlier. All right, so as you can see, it eventually got to this place and you book in your profit. All right, it's as simple as that. Okay, so that's how the strategy work. All right, so what you should do now with this strategy is to backtest it first of all. All right, so once you backtest and you see that it's working for you, then you can now go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, so this is a scalping strategy, guys. It's a scalping strategy, and this strategy works best in a ranging market. All right, once you observe the market that is consolidating, going up and down, then that's the best time to apply this strategy. All right, so once you are doing your analysis, you check the 1 hour or the 30-minute or the 4 hours time frame. Once it's consolidating, then you can apply the strategy. All right, so I think that is all for this one. So if you are a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time and you have not yet subscribed, please do make sure to subscribe. Give the video a like if you know you are getting value from it, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Thanks for watching, guys. Silver out.